A stone is thrown vertical upward with an initial velocity of 40 meter second inverse. So that u is equal to, that we have 40 meter second inverse. G we have, that is fixed. Find the maximum height reached by the stone. So see, we are throwing that stone in upward direction. See, so we are having u, and at maximum height we know that velocity, that final velocity at maximum height is 0. So find the maximum height reached by the stone. Now here we don't have that height also and timing also. And then after, what is the net displacement and the total distance covered by the stone, right? So here what we have to use, that first equation of motion, we can find time t, right? Third equation of motion, we can find that height. So by using third equation of motion, that v square minus u square is equal to 2gs. Now v is 0 minus 400, so that is 1600 is equal to 2 into minus 10 s. Minus minus will be cancelled out, so we are left with s is equal to 1600 upon 20. So answer will be 80 meter. So distance, maximum height reach, that is 80 meter. Now what is the net displacement and the total distance? So net displacement, if this question is asked for total journey, then net displacement will be 0. And total distance, if you want to talk about that, so total distance, see, net displacement is 0 d dash, and total distance that is covered by the object 180 meter, right? If they are talking about whole journey of that stone, but if they are talking about that only maximum height reach, then this will be the answer for both distance as well as displacement, because there is a only single journey, one track journey. So in one track journey, displacement and distance are same, but if we are talking about whole journey, then that displacement will be 0, because initially that object starts from this point and it will reach finally at that point also. So no displacement occurs, that is 0 for whole journey, and total distance covered by that object will be 180. So sorry, here by mistake, 160, 80 plus 80, 160 whole journey, right? So distance is 160 for whole journey of that stone.